In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Photoshop. Merging layers is a quick way to tidy up your file, lock in a look you're happy with, and reduce the size of a complex project. That's especially handy after you've finished compositing elements, applied filters, or created multiple retouching passes and want to consolidate them for easier navigation. First, open Adobe Photoshop with your image or project file. Make sure you've saved a copy if you want to keep an editable version, because merging combines pixels and you won't be able to adjust those layers separately afterward. You can always undo right away, but it's smart to preserve a backup. Next, look to the layers panel on the right side of your workspace. This is where every element in your document is listed as a separate layer with thumbnails and visibility icons. If it looks collapsed, hover near the edge and expand it so you can clearly see the layers you plan to merge. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct ones, especially if you're working with adjustment layers, text, or smart objects that you still want to edit later. Now, hold the Control key on your keyboard to select which layers you want to merge. On a Mac, hold Command, click each layer you want included so they're all highlighted. If the layers are next to each other, you can click the first, then hold Shift and click the last to select the whole range. Remember that whatever you merge becomes a single layer, so double check visibility and order before you proceed. With your layers selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Merge Layers. Photoshop will combine the selected layers into a new single layer, keeping the visual result you see on the canvas. Text layers and smart objects will be rasterized during this process, and blending effects are baked in, so make any final tweaks before merging if needed. If you prefer a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl E or Command E on a Mac to merge the selection. And that's it. You've merged your layers, simplified your document, and kept your design looking exactly the same. If you're experimenting, consider keeping an unchanged group or a hidden backup layer so you can revisit earlier edits later. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.